You've probably heard it everywhere. Tech jobs are the future. But if you've never written a line of code, never built an app, and don't have a computer science degree, it can feel like the tech world is out of reach. The truth is, you can break into the tech industry even if you're starting from zero. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step roadmap to land your first tech role, build real experience, and launch a career in one of the fastest-growing, highest-paying industries out there. We'll cover free resources, entry-level roles, AI-powered shortcuts, and real strategies used by people who started with no technical background and ended up at companies like Google, Amazon, and innovative startups. No fluff, just actionable strategy. Let's start with why the tech industry needs you. When most people think of tech, they picture programmers. But technology is so much more than just coding. Tech companies need designers, analysts, writers, marketers, testers, product managers, data researchers, and creative problem solvers. There are roles that don't require a programming background, roles that need creativity, communication, curiosity, and organization. In 2025, tech isn't just about who can code. It's about who can collaborate with technology. If you can think critically, learn quickly, and use modern tools, you already have what it takes to get started. The first step is a mindset shift. Stop thinking you need experience and start thinking you need exposure. Exposure turns into experience faster than you think. Next, explore your tech path. There are 5 main categories to consider. If you love visuals and storytelling, look into UX or UI design, product design, or front-end web design. Tools like Figma, Canva, and Framer are great places to start. If you enjoy numbers or solving puzzles, data analysis or quality assurance might be your fit. Get familiar with Google Sheets, SQL, Tableau, and Excel. If you're organized and a strong communicator, project management or product management could be your lane. Try out Notion, Trello, Jira, or ClickUp. For writers and strategists, tech needs copywriters, content designers, and technical writers who can explain products clearly. And if you're a people person, tech sales and customer success roles are booming and don't require coding. The point is, there's a place for everyone in tech, and your human skills are just as valuable as technical ones. Now, let's talk about learning the foundations without breaking the bank. You don't need a 4-year degree. There are free and affordable learning paths online. Google Career Certificates offer programs in project management, UX design, data analytics, and IT support. Platforms like Coursera and edX provide foundational skills from real universities. FreeCodeCamp is perfect if you want to learn web development for free. LinkedIn Learning is great for business-oriented tech roles, and Scrimba or Codecademy can help you with front-end basics. Pick one role and focus on learning the tools relevant to that path. Don't try to learn everything at once. And remember, learn by doing. Every tutorial should result in something you can show, even if it's small. Experience doesn't come from a paycheck, it comes from proof. Build a mini portfolio, even if you've never had a tech job. Recreate a famous app or website design. Analyze public data sets and publish your insights. Write a short technical article about what you learned, or volunteer to build a basic website for a friend or nonprofit. The goal is to have visible proof that you can apply your skills. Employers care more about evidence of initiative than your GPA. A simple Notion page, GitHub portfolio, or Behance profile is enough to get started. Tech jobs are the future, and the door is open wider than you think. Start today, and you'll be surprised how quickly you can build the skills, experience, and confidence to launch your tech career.